everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make pepper chicken teriyaki. This recipe is very simple and very easy, but it's delicious. If you're a little bored with regular chicken teriyaki, try this one. Let's get started. These are what you need. Chicken breast, some salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon Japanese cooking sake, potato starch. You can replace this one with cornstarch, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 teaspoon sugar, and some black pepper. You also need some vegetable oil to cook the chicken. Let's cut the chicken first. So remove the skin and trim fat if you see any. Then cut it in half this way. Then cut it this way. Put them in a bowl. Put some salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon sake, rub it in. And I'm adding this potato starch in here. Rub it in. So the chicken is all coated with potato starch. Now I'm going to pan fry the chicken, so let's add some vegetable oil, generous amount of vegetable oil into the skillet. Turn the heat on and heat it up. The oil is hot enough, so I'm going to start pan frying the chicken. Now you start to see nice brown color on the edge of the chicken, so let's flip them over. And push the other side until it's nice and brown. When the chicken is completely cooked and nice and crispy on both sides, using kitchen paper, remove excess oil. Then add mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. And cook it down a little bit as you flip them over from time to time. When it's nice and glossy, turn the heat off and add plenty of black pepper. Mix it and serve. Pepper chicken teriyaki is good to go. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious pepper chicken teriyaki. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!